evaluators. In this video, I'm going to show you the process of assessing candidate project submissions. Because I don't receive this notification, I'm going to use this tutorial document to guide you through the process. When a candidate submits their project, you will receive a notification sent by Course Networking titled New Assignment Submissions. Pay attention to email like this, and it may land in your update folder or your spam folder. So check your spam folder and the report is not a spam so that you will be able to receive this email in your inbox or update folder in the future. On the email, will tell you who have submitted the project, and if you click on the blue link, it will take you directly to Course Networking and land on this person's submission. In this process, if you haven't logged on CN, you need to log on. If you stay logged on, then it will directly take you here to view the student submission. You can click on the submitted document link to view the document, or if the person submitted a text entry, click on View Text Entry, and then it will pop up their submitted content in a window. Typically, it is a URL linked to a showcase on their ePortfolio, or it could be linked to their document in Google Drive or other online storage, cloud storage space. So you click on the link and you view the project document. And once you finish review the document, there are only two steps. First of all, you want to click on either complete or incomplete to provide your assessment result. And then you may leave a comment, feedback using this box. Remember, there is a submit button. You need to click that for your feedback to be sent to the candidate. Yeah, so up until now, you finish assessing a submission. It's pretty simple and straightforward. There are other ways to access candidate submissions. Now I'm going to switch to the real Course Networking site. And once you log into your CN account, from the left menu or from this courses dropdown, you can access a course. Let's say I'm going to visit the CDE course. And on the right side, if you scroll down toward the bottom of the course path, you should see this Submit Your Candidate Project Activity. And then there's a big blue button say View Submissions. So if you click on this blue button, it will list all of the existing submissions from the course. And you can see it is assigned to whom. And you can find the entries assigned to you, but you have not assessed, and then click on the button. If it has not been assessed, it will be awaiting response or awaiting feedback. So click on that button, and it will take you to the same submission page we just viewed. So provide your assessment result, and then you may leave a comment. And to go back to the list, you can scroll back up at the top of the page, click on View All Submissions, and it will go back to the list, and then you can move on to the next submission. So this is how you can directly access submissions on Course Networking. You may form a habit, come into Course Networking into a course every Friday and look at the new project assigned to you and then provide your feedback. So if you form the habit of periodically log on to CN and view submissions this way, you don't have to rely on the notification emails. And going back to the notification emails, there could be a slight delay before you receive, after a candidate submit their project and before you receive the notification. You may go to notification settings from your account settings dropdown, and there is an item that says new assignment submission. Let's see, for instructors, this one. So by default, it's this daily. And if it's daily, there could be a few hours delay. If you want to receive immediate notification on a new submission, then you want to change this frequency to immediate. So this is a note. Yeah, this is how to access 2 ways and assess a candidate project. And if you have further questions, feel free to contact Derwin or send a support email to help@thecn.com.